This is a long overdue update video to my very first how to get rid of tartar and plaque video that was first published in July of 2020. Now, my dental routine and products that I have been using for this process has changed quite a bit through the years. So I figured since it is my most viewed and seems to be most helpful video, that it was probably time to update. So this is how I now get rid of tartar and plaque. First, let's go through the products and tools that I will be using in this video. I will be using my toothbrush. Currently, I'm using the Colgate toothbrush. I have used Colgate or Reach. Those are both great brands of toothbrushes to use. Toothpaste that I'm currently using is the fluoride-free Tom's brand, but I do jump between whatever is cheapest of anything that is fluoride-free. Then I move on to any type of dental floss, whatever works for you. Just make sure to have a floss routine. And then the biggest change is instead of using a baking soda DIY at-home Pinterest hack, I am now using a product called Therasol Tartar Dissolver Powder. Now, if you're interested in this product and want to learn more, I do have my very first review and opening video of this product, so you can check that video out here. And then I use the Antiseptic Mouthwash from Equate. I start with brushing my teeth and just doing a normal dental care routine. So I brush my teeth, floss, and then I do my Therasol Tartar Dissolver. I pour a little bit of the powder in the cap just to keep it separate so no additional moisture gets inside of the powder and ruins the rest of the batch. Now, I bought this bottle of Therasol Dissolver powder 2 years ago, and I have been using this on and off for when I need it, but I do use this minimally once a month just to keep on top of tartar and plaque buildup. Now, tartar and plaque buildup is just from eating food. That is what the Therasol Tartar Dissolver does, is it dissolves and helps break down that built up tartar that your plaque, it has just compounded over time, and you now need to get it out. And then after doing the Therasol, you can see it kind of bubbles a little bit. If you experience any issues with gum or sensitivity, just stop using. Do what feels right for you. If it's too much or too little, then, adjust as what you need for your dental routine. And then I rinse my mouth out with the Antiseptic Mouthwash. And that is it. That is my entire dental routine right now and how I keep on top of tartar and built up plaque. For more stubborn built up plaque, you can get dental tools and you can pick at them using toothpicks, dental tools. Just be very careful with your gum, with your teeth. You don't want to cause any undue harm and then end up having to actually go into a dentist and pay money for surgery and fixes. Now you can see from the results here before and after that just one use of the Therasol Tartar Dissolver, it helps actually get rid of this. So if you wanted to use this more than just once a month, say you'd used it once, maybe twice a week, you would see a significant reduction in your built up tartar plaque. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys use for your dental routine. Remember to be kind to each other down in the comment section. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day. Remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you guys in my next video.